Makhamushung appointment maramle Manipur Legislative Assembly na third kami shokhaira. Free movement regime ILP Nakha political issues zangda maram ngatay da Nagaland Shokar na CSO spingli ngasan kida leidalay. Lekhyang Tor, Aja the Tangkhul Express Pvt Pao Ringphawon Zimik in a Pamidalay, Pao Ping Maisai na Nganang Rumsa. Makhamushung appointment Lyric Mishoka Kachi Maramle, Manipur Legislative Assembly with Public Relations Officer, Yung Lembam Nikesh Singh na third kami kushogli kahang, Makhamushung appointment results kala appointment letters media le khangayaw Assembly with authorities na Thekhui Hairo, document Pingji 2025 Maroon Shini kala 2025 Mayo, Magada Turuk Thangwe, Lyric Aina Shokta regular post, Supervisor 1, MTS 5, FA2, LTC 1 kala Accountant 1 Hikatata here Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretariat we Otpam wuivang na da shoka da hang kala documents maramchi Huyen Lenpao News Daily le achon tarik magada shini thang chanpao sada ka shok na chidalai third kami chili ka hang Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretariat na chikatha appointment results la letters Mami shoklak mana chihaira. Appointment documents chi semgu kuina, Mamashung mana da hangsanga. Maram chi wuivang, Lamphel Police Station ni formal written complaint tarik magada shini thang thasang haira. FIR register sada maram chi yengsang phok haira da hanga. State Police Department na investigation thakta zatmida khayo nale khangayi legal action mikhavai po haira kachi Manipur Legislative Assembly wi pau chi na hanga. Indo-Myanmar Le Red Pamui Free Movement Regime FMR Zangda Maram Kasak Ngasan Khawai Nagaland Shokar na State Chiwi Civil Society Organizations CSO Spingle Akhama Tarik Thumra Thang Gazip Langchin Sahaira Gazip Chi State Banquet Hall Kohimali Pamra Free Movement Regime Maram Ainang Soda Protected Area Permit PAP State Li Chingri Khangasak Inner Line Permit ILP Kala Naga Political Issue Maram Lang Sanra the Hang Nagaland Home Department with Atishuda, Naga Customary Laws, Nagaland Village and Tribal Area Council Act, Register of Indigenous Inhabitants of Nagaland Kala, Shongfu Development Matailak Aina Foothill Road Aina Shoba Pangsa Road Maramling Sanra the Hanga. Pao we Atishuda High Level Gazip Chile, Nagaland Chief Minister Neferio, Deputy Chief Ministers TR Zileng Kala Y Patton, Nagaland Assembly Speaker Sharingain Long Kumar, State Minister Sping, MLA Sping, Chief Secretary La Nagaland State Chokar with senior officials Sping the Zangra the Hanga. Karate Kangareo Tangkhul now National Ngahanle Mazanguki da Leidale, Deradun Udrakan le Rungmiki da Khalei, KIO, All India Karate Championship Lizangkavai, Manipur Eina, Vereso Muivali la Kapangkui Haira. Ngahanji Rakhara, Makhu Tarik, Tarada Khani Aina Twida, Tarada Pangatang Vashungra, Vereso hi Muire Nauna, 10 days Aina, Chanting Muivawi now Mirana. Ahi Shimganing Marza Wea Jingli Train Saya, Shimganing Marza hi Chinjuroing Japung Nauna, Ukrul District Karate Duo Association with Technical Director na, Association to Advisor Robert Maitena Ringapakala, Ningashi Chanpao Mikara Atishuda, Vereso National Championship Chile Wazangkavai, Flight Ticket, Ukrul MLA Ram Muivana Kakmira Chihaira, Seleksa Gahaya Player La Coach Wimaramle MLA Muivana, Mashana Phone Ainangating Raya, Kalavereso Muiva Wuivang Flight Ticket Kakmira Gachitui Mihaira da Chuivang Ningashir Ingapa Pongshoka. Temda Kle Athletes Players Pingwin Ningrin Washung Kawai Kasale, Tangkhul Bureaucrats, Well Wishers Chungmaidana, Katoming Sakhangai, Kachuhan Robert na Pongshoka. Manipur domestic violence case li mayar now akha to khuhaira chingum mukada phanga pre now akhale kahara kala kahara wi shimkhuna asal sada arishangli khuiwa hawa kichi media wi pau aina samphangdale ocho chi wuivang victim na complaint sada mathang 0 FIR women police station churachambuli thasang haira pau athishura victim nengne hoichi Bishnupur Thangjen Khuwe Khaidem Nauja Koho Akhali Khangagumna Ali District Hospital Churachambuli Ngahad Leya the Hanga accused Kahara Singum Makada Tishat Khaidem Naujale Police no Tukui Haira Ana New Chekon Imphal East Likapamna the Hanga. 0 FIR Chuaina Women Police Station Imphal East Districtly Case Thasang Haira Maram Wuivang Police Authorities na investigation Zat Muhundalay the Hanga. May Kangafu Otnurut Matamay Sarak Vai Manibu Fire Service Li Pikeborn QRT Quick Response Team da firefighters le hairong hangda khalei motorcycle le 12 cylindrical extinguisher kada khamasha la khangaji shongfuli la chatkapai mai khangafu apong khwi khara gasana kalachina Manibu Fire Service with emergency ngahan kaka mathamai sagra da jahandale Kangacha Fire Service we carry Mazangabai Apam Pingle, Washungda Kavai, Kasana, the Manibu Fire Service Willy, water mist firefighting systems Kazang, high tech motorbikes, Tara, Lehairo Chidale, motorbikes, Akali 40 liters water tank, pipeline, color, spray gun systems, La Kejikani fire extinguisher, Zangdale the Hanga. National Education Policy NEP 2020 we Pekar Akasada, Manibu University na Ese Ngahan Rungmi Haira, Vice Chancellor Professor N. Lokendra Singh Ngahanji Ayat launch Tamiya, Ese Ngahanji Department of Statistics, Manibu University na NEP SARTI program Azingli Makok Kamina, Angran Angayeji Policy Jui Kasak, Kala implementation, Maram Kangasanle, Katam Ping, Kala Faculty Pingli, Zangasak Hawaii Kasana Chidale, Ese Ngahan Hapo Kami, Angran Angayeji Professor C.H. Ibohal Singh, Dean of Students Welfare Professor O. Ranjit Singh, Head of the Department of Ancient History and Archaeology, Professor S. Opendra Singh, Nodal Officer of the NEP SARTI team, Kala NEP SARTI Ambassador M. Ronald Singh, Wazanga Kaji, IT Pau, Aina Sampangdale. Kachikatha group na lupa demand kasa marna hawa da Pishnupur district li khalei Thambal Marik Oinam College we jishutme kala staff pina makhamaya protest pamhaira college chiwe employees association na thanda protest che aya office hour le phamda regular classes chekhut hawa employees association chiwe general secretary Dr. L Pileshwar na kahang magathe grouping na lupa henna kapo le hawa college chiwe jishut me ping kala office staff pingle monetary demand notices henda mi hawa association china internally displaced persons pingle lupa aina khangajon mi haira da hanga khaka chikatha outfits na lupa ko je association china ma mirror ki kachi demand sa hawa da maring pha phongshaka rakhra atamli institution china ma kashak demand masami khawai association china saklak aina nga kaw haira Latwishita Achiwi Kamataya Pauping Makumushung appointment Maramle Manipur Legislative Assembly na third kami Shokhaira Free Movement Regime ILP Naka Political Issues Zangda Maram Ngatay da Nagaland Shokar na CSO Spingli Ngasankida Leidale Achu Pau Henang Changhairo, Pau Nada Clay Nathum saikorali Ringapha Kala Kamahaya Zimik Masasarano.